Today we are going to discuss two programs or two functions. Fine. Both the functions has come in the CBSE board examination in 2019. One from the list and one from the data file. Now first we will discuss the function that has been come from the list. Write a definition for a function. Name has been given XOXO, which will accept 2D list as parameter, which replace every occurrence of X with O in the list and vice versa. Means if X is there, then it will be O, and if O is there, then it will be X. Fine. First we will discuss this program. I am discussing this program in two formats. One is the programming format, one is the function format. Now if you understand the logic of the program format, then it will be the easy for you. Suppose I have in the program format, I have initialized a 2D list according to this. Means where X is there, it will be O. Where O is there, it will be X after the change. Now what I have done, I start a for loop. Two for loops are required because it is a 2D list. Fine. First for loop will control the row and second for loop will control the column. Now if ki and j is equal to x, it will be converted into the O. If it is O, it will be converted into the x. Now up to this, if you write for your answer of the question, it is right in the function format. I have written this one because that you can see the output of that particular program. Means what will going to be happen? Suppose according to this initialization, the original array will be X, O, X. Okay, 3 by 3 it is O, X, 0, X, X, O. Fine. XOX, OXO, XSO, XXO. Now after the change, what all the occurrence of the X will going to be replaced by O. Means O, this will be X, this will O. Means all the occurrence of the X will be replaced by the O. So these two occurrences of X is replaced by O, and vice versa, means O will be replaced by X. Okay, now here what will going to be happen? X in place of X, O, X. Fine. Here what will going to be happen? Two X's are there, O, O, X. Fine. So nothing is there. Run the two for loop. Compare. If it is an X, element is X, it will become O, and if it is O, it will become X. Now I am going to discuss this one with a function format. Nothing is there. The function name has been given over there. I have write that one, and the change has been happen only in the indentation. Nothing is else. All the programs are same, but because we start with the function, so indentation will going to be changed over there. Because from the previous program and for this program, no difference is there. Only one difference, that the indentation due to the declaration of the function. Now we'll go to the question. Now here is another program that is from the data file. A text file named message.txt contains some text. Need to be created such another file sms need to be created. It will store only the first 150 characters from the file message.txt. Write user defined function, long short, and it will be. So what will going to be happen? I have not written the program. Okay, I have given you the idea. I have not changed the name of the, because I have a data file. I have not written SMS message.txt. I have written ab.txt. What will happen? F1 is going to be connect with the ab.txt, and this one is going to connect with the new file. This is there. It has to be created. Now if f1.read, here I have passed 5, it will be 150. What it will do? It will read first 150 characters. Here what I have done, I have written 5, Okay, already this program is there. I have not written the new program. Only the change is there. In place of 5, it will be 50. So what will going to be happen? Here it will be message.txt. I have written ab.txt. So this file f1 is connected with the existing file. This one is going to be created. Fine. So what I have done, d is equal to f1.read. Here we are going to pass how many characters it is going to read. It will going to read 150 characters. What it will going to read? It will going to first 150 characters. So in place of 5, it will be 150. Fine. It has been read and it has been stored into the d. f.write d. Things has been done. f1.close, f2.close. What is the difference between this program and what is want in the question paper? The file name. According to the question, I should write sms message.txt. sms.txt, it is okay, and here I have to how many characters it will going to read? 150 characters. In place of 5, I am going to write 150. So what it will do? D will read 150 character, read will read 150 character and store it into the D, and then I am going to write f2 is associated with the new file, so it will going to happen over there. So this is the solve of the classwork that has been given. Okay, thank you very much.